guys, hey, we're gonna cook some hamburger helper. I think I'm gonna make some fried chicken. We're gonna make homemade, I guess you could say homemade hamburger helper. It's not gonna be the boxed hamburger helper. It's gonna be made how I make it. Of course, we're not making no sauce from scratch, which I could, but I'm not, because in my current condition, everything has to be quick and easy. So it's going to be quick and easy but delicious hamburger helper. Also, we're going to have, I think I'm going to make some fried chicken with it, and then some garlic bread. And we're going to try to find these garlic bread sticks. Also guys, I'm going to make a video for you guys to show you what I eat. So yeah, for the most part, the meals that I cook, I take to my mom's house for my mom and my siblings, because I'm on a calorie counting diet, which has been working, like I said. So yeah, I'm gonna cook that for them, and they're gonna have that. Like, you guys don't see me eat the food after I make it, because I don't eat it. Like, I'll taste it. I'll have maybe a fork or two of it to taste it and make sure it's good, seasoned good or whatever. But I don't actually make me a plate and sit down and eat it. But anywho, that's what we're doing: hamburger helper, fried chicken, and garlic sticks. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. When I think I'm going to take you guys to the store with me. So yeah, you guys will see me buy the stuff at the store. So I'll see you there. Elbows. We at Walmart. We at Walmart. We at Walmart. Great value elbows. Pasta sauce. I'm gonna show you all the sauce I get, if they got some, to make the hamburger helper. Alright, so we got the cheese, and as y'all know, ragu. Ground beef. We can get this. Get all these options. Yeah. We're gonna get this. Alright guys, now we're at Kroger. Because of course I went to Walmart, got almost everything, but forgot the chicken and the breadsticks. So yeah, we gotta find breadsticks. We got the chicken. We got 2 packs of drumettes, and then we need breadsticks. So I'll get back to y'all when I find breadsticks. I totally missed the bread the first time.
You don't want more sausage? Thank you.
And I don't see the ones I'm looking for. Just gonna get anything, because I don't eat them anyway. Alright. Yep. So we might end up getting the same toast from last time. Some Pepperidge Farm, I think. Yep. The garlic and parsley it is. I don't even feel like trying to make a decision. I'm just gonna get one. Yep, so that's it. We got our chicken and our bread, and we're done. I'm gonna see y'all back at the house. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm back from the store. We're just gonna do a small little haul of what we got. I'm gonna do some cooking today, but not today, tomorrow actually. Right now I'm gonna do a haul of everything I got for the cooking I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make some homemade or semi-homemade hamburger helper. So you guys can just stay tuned for this haul of groceries of what we're gonna have. Yeah, and then after that I'm gonna cook, but the cooking will be in tomorrow's video, so stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so let's get into this haul of the groceries that I bought to cook the hamburger helper. Semi-homemade, I guess you could say. It's not original sauce or anything like that, or homemade sauce. So yeah, but this is the stuff we bought for that. We have chicken, of course. Our chicken, we're gonna have fried chicken with it, so it's gonna be hamburger helper, fried chicken, and garlic bread. This is the chicken I bought from Kroger. They're chicken drumettes, or wing drumettes, however you say it. Receipt. And we have some more, another pack of drumette, which I think they come with like 10 or 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. So 10 pieces each, 20 pieces is fine. I won't be eating it anyway. I'm sending it to my mom's house, but guess what, y'all? If it ain't enough, they ain't got nothing to do with me, because I ain't eating it. Yeah, so let's continue. Again, we got the Pepperidge Farm toast, Texas toast, the garlic and parsley. Yep. Some oil, which I already have some oil, that's why I got this small one. It's canola oil. I don't know if it's focusing. We just got that small one just in case what we have already isn't enough. I think I showed you guys in the store also the ground beef. I got 2 of these. I think that's upside down here. So we got 2 ground beef. Shut up, phone. Also we have the cheese sauce, which I think I showed y'all inside the store too. This is the cheese sauce. Of course you guys should know by now, ragu is my go-to. I've been using ragu for forever. It's my go-to sauce. And this double cheddar sauce can be used as nacho cheese too. It tastes good on nachos. If you're making nachos, it's good for that also. We have our elbows. Great value elbows, because you don't need expensive pasta to make pasta. I'm telling you, you don't have to get the expensive stuff. Great value. Make great pasta. Okay. And then I needed another soap dispenser, so I got a simple little Mainstays soap dispenser for my bathroom. this bag, I'm gonna scan my receipts because Walmart, I scans all my receipts, okay? I don't play about no receipts and trying to look for something in case I gotta take something back. No. I scanned them into the app. I don't know how I'm gonna show y'all. Let me see. I might have to lower the camera. Let's see. There we go. We got it. New pots and pans. Can y'all see that? We got some new pots and pans. Ew, something touched my lip. I don't like that. Something was on my lip. I don't like that. But anyway, yeah. Guys, oops. This is the new set. A 20-piece. I can't see what this granite diamond. No. Granite stone diamond. 20-piece. Which it features some bakeware, which I need, because all my bakeware came from the dollar store. And it gets so stained and some of them get rusty so quick, and I find myself just throwing them away, buying more. So hopefully these won't rust or get permanent stains so quickly, because I'm such a obsessive compulsive type of person. If I can't clean something the way I want to, or if it doesn't look how I want it to look, it's going in the trash. Anybody can tell you that about me. It's going right in the trash. Like, if I can't clean it how I want it to be clean, trash. Like I literally almost threw away a whole air fryer because I couldn't clean it the way I wanted to clean it. And I'm like, yeah, Ma, put it in the trash. She's like, girl, I'm not putting this in no trash. It still works. Throw it away. But yeah, so this is the new cookware. Hopefully you guys can see that, because I can't even see. But yeah, this is the last thing that we got. So let me put this down. Yep. Okay guys, so that was the end of the haul. That's everything we got for the cooking, and then a couple other small things I needed for just house items. Okay guys, so you will see this video first of the haul and the shopping, and then I'll do the cooking and upload that the next day. So I'll see you guys then.